5 ways to treat heartburn quickly. Your stomach contains natural acids that are in charge of decomposing the food you eat as a part of the digestive process. Another function of stomach acid is to prevent infection from toxic or bad food. However, too much of the acid could cause a burning feeling. It moves from the stomach to the esophagus and can even get as far as your mouth. Before we talk about ways to deal with heartburn, you should know what the main causes are. A poor or unvaried diet, excessive consumption of spicy foods, stress, excessive consumption of alcohol. Some ways to deal with heartburn are: take antacids. The main job of antacids is to neutralize your stomach acids to give you short-term relief. While they are sold over the counter, they can have mild side effects that tend to go away quickly. The most common side effects are headache, diarrhea, nausea. We should point out that some people should not take antacids, including people who have kidney problems and consume antacids with calcium carbonate or aluminum hydroxide. Women going through menopause, since they reduce your ability to absorb calcium from food or supplements, increasing your risk of osteoporosis. Older adults or anyone with an autoimmune disease. If you get bad heartburn but antacids give you bad side effects, or you are in one of the above groups of people, try one of the following natural options for dealing with heartburn. Basil. Basil is an herb that is often used to season foods and in sauces. Some of its main benefits are: fighting heartburn and gas accumulated in the digestive tract and stomach, improving your digestion, helping with acid reflux and related problems. The essential oils in basil, linalool and terpineol, regulate stomach acids. Thanks to its antibacterial power, it eliminates any harmful bacteria in the tissues damaged by the acid. Basil may prevent stomach cramps and keep reflux away. You can use basil by consuming it in tea form or simply chewing the leaves whenever heartburn appears. Aloe vera. Having aloe vera juice will help you deal with heartburn because it relaxes the lower sphincter of your esophagus, helping with your digestion. This is important because then your stomach needs less acid to perform digestion. At the same time, aloe vera juice gives your esophagus a protective layer. This minimizes the damage caused by acid that rises from reflux. Because of its anti-inflammatory qualities, it gives your digestive system a break. In addition, it keeps it from producing too much acid. The ideal way to consume it is in juice or just taking a tablespoon, 15 grams, of it. If you don't exactly like the taste, you can mix it with honey or other fruit to make it more tolerable. Baking soda. Baking soda has an alkaline pH that helps control your body's pH and acts as a natural antacid. This remedy can be used to help deal with heartburn and relieve indigestion. However, it should not be used by people who have gastritis, high blood pressure, heart problems. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 grams, 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. Instructions: add the teaspoon of baking soda to the cup of water. Mix well and consume. You can take it every day if you get heartburn daily. Otherwise, take it only when the problem appears. Elm bark. The inner bark of the elm tree has multiple medicinal powers that can help with your heartburn and reflux. The bark provides a natural coating for membranes that are inflamed and irritated, as well as your stomach and esophagus. The coating minimizes the damage that acids can cause. Elm bark is dried and then powdered and put in capsule form or directly added to water to make a tea. The recommended dose to take advantage of its benefits is half a tablespoon, 4 grams, in 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters. You can consume this over the course of the day. While there are no serious side effects with taking elm bark, it is not advisable for pregnant or breastfeeding women. About heartburn. Heartburn can be serious if it is frequent. With the recommendations we've given you above, you can find relief from the burning and even minimize the negative effects on your mucous membranes. However, determining what is triggering the heartburn in order to fight the problem from the root is important. Otherwise, none of these remedies will have a long-lasting effect. It is best to see a doctor to identify the real cause and treat it. Meanwhile, the remedies above are a great way to fight the problem immediately and get on with your life.